Why did Johnny jump up and down before he drank his juice? Because the carton said to shake well before drinking. What do you get if you cross Bambi the deer with a ghost? You get bamboo. What would you find on a haunted beach? A sandwich. What do you call a skeleton who cleans? A grim sweeper. What's the best part about being a raccoon? Easy. Not having to buy a mask for Halloween. Why did the skeleton drink 8 glasses of milk every day? Because milk is good for the bones. Why did the invisible man turn down a job? Because he just couldn't see himself doing it.